vlog. Have you started it?
Yeah.
Oh, hi vlog. Hey guys, what is it? What's your intro? Yeah, I was gonna do my intro, but I realized this is on my channel.
Hey guys, it's Aliyah.
Hey guys, it's Aliyah. Oh my god.
Vlog.
Bro, it's not.
My
Oh,
camera tripping today.
it's glitching. You need to vlog for me because I don't know how to vlog. Hey guys,
Sorry,
it's
my
Archit and
thing.
Aliyah. Oh my god.
Oh my
I've been waiting to say that.
Ow.
You need to take over my vlogging camera because
I
I
will.
realized that I don't know how to vlog. So.
I will.
Guys, that's Archit. That's my dog. My dog's name is Paris. She and Archit are kind of just vibing. That's Yuvraj. Waiting for Tarini and Tanisha.
I'm taking Paris home with me.
We're
Stop
not
it.
filming.
We don't know we're filming a We're Sorry video.
Literally not it.
Hi guys!
I'm having french fries. Is that
I'm Tanisha, but this is Archit's channel. Oh my god, I love his camera quality. His camera
That's
is so
exactly
good.
what I'm saying. Can I do Tani's intro? Hi guys, it's Tanisha and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Because I've been trying all your videos.
I'm the only one out here without a camera or a YouTube channel.
Or Twitter.
Or
Twitter.
Archit's just like eating food.
Hi guys, it's Tanisha and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Tanisha. My intro.
I'm just so
What is
extra.
yours?
Archit's nasty. It's just nasty.
What is it?
Nasty Hi, my name's Archit, and today I'm gonna show you my room. So this is my bed, which is like such a mess.
Guys, Tarini is so annoying.
here.
Tarini is so annoying, guys.
No, I'm not.
She's the most annoying person on this planet.
My mom would love that you said that.
god, it's a Denise show. I have the same cargo.
So nice. Thank you. Bestie.
What are you all doing? Take it, Tarini. And
Oh my god, Archit just does not want to vlog. Oh my god.
take it.
I'm just gonna pile on to this.
Hug us.
Paris. Paris.
Cutie.
Paris. That's so cute. That's Paris and that's Tanisha.
Oh my god. So cute.
Hey, guys, calm down. Have you all never seen a dog?
Oh my god, I love dogs.
Hi.
Hey, say something.
Oh.
Fine, Tarini. So, Aliyah's dog Paris just peed on the floor, and
Take the feed.
I'm not gonna vlog the pee, but that's Paris. Paris, look here, Paris. Paris, hi. Paris, I'm so glad you didn't pee on me when you were sitting on my lap. Paris, don't lick my camera.
Oh my god, what are you doing? Paris hates him.
She loves me, shut up. That's Tarini, that's also another bitch that we have here.
Paris, come here.
Tarini, shut up, you know you're a
Paris is
bitch.
just so done with everybody.
You all are just taking over my vlog, right? Because I don't know how to do it. Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Alina. Say Alina.
Oh no.
You've called me Alina like so many times.
Hi, Aliyah's vlog. Hi,
Even when
Archit's
I told my
vlog.
mom.
Hi, Paris.
And that's Paris.
Oh my god.
Here, take.
I'm changing Paris's name to something else. What do you look like? Come here.
I always rename all my
Stay, okay, stay here. Just stay here. He wants to take a video of you, so please stay here.
This is why people don't like your vlog.
I'm just kidding. Okay, everybody, show some love to Archit because he deserves it. Okay, he spends at least 1 hour editing,
Exactly.
even though I spent 5. But yes, please show some love, okay, because he deserves it. He does thoda mehnat.
Tora Mehnat. Dude, people will cancel me.
And I'm so small, I can't
Tarani
even
is
fit in the
so,
same frame as you.
I don't know, guys. I don't know if y'all know this, but I find Tarani very, very annoying.
Oh my god! I don't even fit
That's
when I walk
exactly why I think she's annoying. Merry Christmas, even though it's been a month. Literally, this is the best lighting. Yuvraj, come. That's Yuvraj, guys.
Hi.
Or something like, you know, over here.
Oh, that was so cute. Paris, Paris.
I know.
Okay. Okay, guys, Tarani, Aliyah,
Hi.
Tanisha, and Yuvraj. We're having
Please take my
Making out with the
making out.
Oh no! Y'all are cousins, you guys. Come on.
It's okay, Archit. I forgive you. It's fine. It's fine.
Thanks for forgiving me. Oh, that was so aggressive. Guys, we're eating pizza.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
And thanks for like taking time for my vlog.
Sorry. Because we were talking so much. Like,
So we had a really fun time. I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow as well.
he's coming back tomorrow.
I'm coming back tomorrow. And Tarani, by the way, Tanisha and Yuvraj have left.
Bye
It's gonna
guys.
cut
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks so much for watching. We love you so much. Bye.
And you're gonna see you again. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, I just woke up. I'm meeting my cousin today. I'm gonna go shower right now and I'll see you there. So I just took a shower and that's what I'm wearing. And I'm gonna have lunch and leave for Tanisha's house. Okay, so I'm waiting for my car to come and then I'm gonna go to Tanisha's house. Yeah, I don't have anything to say. I think I need to get a new camera because I feel like this is too big for vlogging. I wanna get the Canon G7X. Okay, I'm on my way. I left my house. We're on time, kind of. I'm not late this time. It's currently 1:16 p.m. and I'm about to reach Tanisha's house. I'm not late. I'm 15 minutes late. Vlog. It's on.
Oh, it's falling. It's heavy. Look at this puffy. What is that?
It's a windshield.
Archit came to my house and I'm eating chicken with cheese on it. And my mom's giving me the chili oil.
Where was to bring your camera then? You think it's too big?
Tanisha's eating chicken and I'm sitting here waiting for her.
To put my chili oil in it.
Chili oil.
You're
Show
a
your
chili
food.
oil.
You are a chili oil. Show. Show.
Let me mix it in. Chicken and cheese and chili oil is so genius.
I'm genius. Okay, got it.
It's really good.
I'm live right now on Instagram. This is a shout out to whoever's watching my live or commenting on it.
What are you giving me this life for? So much is happening.
Yeah.
I just have to take this, that's it.
You have to take this. Why are we all over the place?
You keep quiet.
Okay, wait, I have to take my mask. You're still live or what?
Oh shit, I need to take my jacket also. Just wait here. You wait here and you be live. You
I'm vlogging.
vlog it. Move.
Okay, I'll move.
Everyone in the comments say hi. Just take all these highs.
Okay. Shout out to all the highs. Love you, Tanisha. Someone saying love you, Tanisha. She's saying thank you. Please say nasty. There you go.
Be faster.
Okay. We're just chilling. I'm vlogging. Say something. Say something. Ari, say something. Okay, Tanisha's not saying anything today. But, yeah. Okay, bye.
Hey, where's Tanisha? You're watching that Tanisha.
Oh god. Oh, Tanisha and I are on our way to Alea's house. Say something. When I tell her to say something, she never says anything. Say something.
Something.
No. Whose phone is that?
Mine.
Yeah. Oh, that's your phone.
Yeah.
Of course.
Archit's phone, which is officially now my phone. Because my phone quality is quite bad. So today you're going to experience an actual nice vlog, but just for today. Otherwise all my other vlogs are here.
Oh, my double chin.
Eagles. Hit me up. Why is this not in focus? I don't know.
You know, you need to focus it every time.
You need to focus it. Why should I? I'm the guest in your vlog.
You're my cousin.
See now, this Archit is abusing. I don't know him. Don't know her.
I'm your brother only, but boy cousin. What do you say? Boy cousin.
It's cousin and girl cousin. Nobody says boy cousin. Except you only.
Cousin
You are-
brother.
Cousin brother. I actually like the words cousin brother. It
Cousin
gives a little
brother.
bit more apnapan, you know?
Exactly.
Like cousin brother.
We reached, guys.
I'm excited. You're all gonna see a day in the life of a Sobu. B2s.
People are gonna see.
Oh wait, let me.
I'm also voting.
Archit, go ring the bell.
Okay. I need your reaction. If she doesn't open the door,
This is gonna be really funny. Lame.
the house help will be like, why you guys are recording us?
It's just a plot twist. Listen, where is everyone? Oh shit. Oh.
Okay, Leah didn't open. Tanisha,
Yeah.
Leah didn't open the door. Paris! Paris!
Can we come in? Okay.
That was Leah screaming, yes.
Oh, we're vlogging? Yeah.
Hi!
Oh my god, two vlogging. Oh, I'm not vlogging right now.
Paris is so
I
excited.
didn't know if I Hey, I can't carry something so heavy. Yeah, say.
that's what I said.
It's too heavy, bro. I weigh like probably not even as
All
much
these-
as that.
Okay, just open your
Delicate
phone.
darlings.
Just open your phone.
You know my password.
Oh yeah.
My room's a mess, guys. I'm really sorry. It's actually so messy. It's not even funny. She has a period.
Oh, that's so
She has a period. She doesn't know what she's doing.
She's so cute. She's so adorable.
So cute. Okay, see now.
Yeah. Get this. You know, boys aren't allowed in my room.
But Tanisha's here with us.
I know.
What do you mean boys are not allowed?
They're not.
Baby girl, what am I then?
Do that. Guys,
I'm gonna see you.
guys, say something. How is your video going? The
It's
one.
going really good.
It's going well. So far, I'm scared of Aliyah. I'm joking. She's a sweet too.
Come on, let's go.
Aliyah.
You said it like UV. UV says like, come on, let's go now.
I don't know who I'm imitating, but I'm imitating someone.
You sounded exactly
Definitely
like
not me.
Paris! Munchkin!
That's Aliyah and her Christmas tree that's still up and it's been a month.
What? It's just a Christmas tree.
We'll get copyrighted. Don't play the music. Hey. Stop. Raf.
Yeah, what's up, baby?
Ow, don't touch my hair. Raj. That's you, Raj. That's... You know, like this is the same vlog and I've introduced all of you like 5 times in this. Because it's still, you know, from that day.
Why are you closing out?
Tanisha, say
Congrats on
hi.
hitting. Hi!
Tanisha's here.
No one said
Raj is
congrats
here.
to me.
Yeah, we're having popcorn. And Paris is there just looking at us. Paris!
Paris.
Tarini!
You vlogging again, you're never gonna edit this. Why are you even trying?
You haven't edited your video yet! Tarini!
I have
Tarini!
spending
Tarini, this is the same vlog from like the first time. It's
you
a-
continuing it?
Yeah.
Hey, what's Archit on? You're watching the Archit show.
Yeah. Here's the chick magnet. Oh my god.
How is she doing now?
Don't stress, baby girl.
I'm so small that just my half, even half of my face is like, it's just still here because I'm so short.
Can you say something?
So bang. I forgot how to English.
Aliyah, Raf and everyone poured water on my head.
I never poured water on your head.
What is this? Y'all have put water on my head.
I told them not to do it. Now I'm very protective.
I told them not
I was not. I liked
This guy.
Listen, it's not even him, Alina did it.
Yeah.
Alina.
Alina did it. I literally just, Raf was holding a bottle. I just did this.
Yeah, but I was.
I just did that. It's okay. Yeah, so Raf was holding.
Also, I sprained my ankle because I was jumping on the trampoline. I don't think I vlogged that, but I think Tarini or someone vlogged that. And yeah, now my shoes are here. I need to wear my shoes.
You can walk all of a sudden.
Yeah. Aliyah got me cake.
A cake, not a.
Aliyah, thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, that's so.
That's
I
like
explained the
really
cake
good.
process of Tani's vlog if you want to check that out.
And we have the 150k celebration here.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real, bro.
Appreciate her.
Record this.
Can you stop?
Even I want to feed everyone. Hey guys, it's Aliyah and Alina, and welcome back to Archit's YouTube channel.
And Archit
This
is
is Tarini who just wants to eat the damn cake, but nobody's letting her.
Tarani, so fail. Guys, please eat separate plates. COVID.
I'm saying we're gonna get it
Oh
done.
wait,
for
I said
free.
the F word. Shh.
We're gonna get it done for free because collaboration.
These people are so god, they're abusing and stuff, man. I don't do that. Look at him.
Toilet
clogger. Okay, bye bye. Signing out.
Okay. Now
Okay,
everybody just
3,
stick
2,
into
1, pause.
No, Raf is just not there. This is such a bad picture. We can take such better pictures.
Look here, look here.
Most likely to get married first.
Most likely to annoy the shit out of everybody here. Most likely to host us never again. Most likely to jump on a trampoline and act as if his leg is sprained but not real. Most likely to hit 200k soon. Most likely to hit 100k next. Most
likely to hit 10k.
I think I'm 200k soon, but whatever.
Yes! Yes! Not Aliyah's neighbors thinking we're back. Okay, we're gonna take this picture again because this just does not work fine.